All right, so I'm going to do a very quick unboxing. I am headed to teach an art class, so I need to get moving. This one is from Ivy Moon Body Care, so I've opened everything up, and then I will show you each one. First of all, how cute is this? This is the Betty Boop Bath Bomb, and it will cost $6 on the Ivy Moon Body Care website. This is super cute. And I love Betty Boop, so there we go. The next one is, look at this thing. Isn't this creepy as, oh my gosh, this is so freaking gorgeous. The shimmeriness, vampires are my all-time favorite monster. And not the newfangled kind, the back in the day, creeping on the moors, Transylvania, foggy night type of vampire. Not anything modern. All right, so, and this looks like baby Nosferatu. That's what it looks like. And it's baby vamp. How cute is that? Both of these are scented in Femme Fatale, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, Femme Fatale. The next one is the reason I ordered. That one was actually $11. So it was a little more expensive than the rest of them. And this one is Evil Leprechaun, Persephone's Kiss. And I love it. He's creepy. This particular one was $8? Yes, $8. And then we had Decay. What's the name of this one? Sorry, my bad. This one is Evil Book. The reason I couldn't remember is because I didn't order this one. What happened is I ordered a breast cancer awareness bath bomb to honor my sister-in-law who has passed away, and she didn't have any left. So she traded for this one. So therefore, I really don't know the true cost of that. And then I got, looks like waffles were on sale, so I get an extra one because she was out of what I wanted. She wanted to throw in something extra, so I asked her for a waffle bomb, and I got 2 of them, and a lip balm. So that's it. Again, we had Betty Boop, Evil Leprechaun, can't even say that, Baby Vamp, and Evil Book. Then we had the 2, you guys know what waffles look like, so that's why I didn't open it. Waffle bath bombs, and then there is a freebie of some, looks like peppermint lip balm. That's it for Ivy Moon Body Care. My next unboxing is, I forgot that quick. Body's Harmony, sorry. I don't know why I forgot that. But anyway, so here is, this is the box straight open. I didn't do anything more to it. Shimmering Bath Dust, I guess. This is a freebie. Because it comes with the invoice, and the invoice does not have pricing on it, so my bad. But this looks beautiful. All right, so what did I order? I ordered Sagittarius wax melts because Sagittarius, why not? Then these Just Rot Death and Decay by the Campfire melts. They are beauteous. So are these, by the way. I'm sorry I went right past. I'm just really in a hurry. They're beautiful. Next, I ordered You Make Me Sick, and that's in Lush Dupe Dirty and Blue Sugar. Look how sparkly. That's beautiful. And then, of course, I got the Sagittarius Bath Bomb Dust because, yes, I'm Sagittarius. Look at that. Look at that. I love anything that's hollow. And lastly, yes, it's a very small unboxing. I don't I purposefully try not to buy scents that I don't like, and so not to say that her scents aren't amazing, but there was just stuff that I didn't care for as far as my scent likes. So I got a small shipment because I only got what I like. And this one is Pink Berry Mimosa and Champagne, and a lot of people love. Oh, how pretty is that? A lot of people like all of the scents that she has. And I may like them too. I just didn't get them. All right. But this is the Sagittarius. Again, the beautiful You Make Me Sick. Then we have Sagittarius, and this is in Tobacco Leaf and Pink Sugar. Gorgeous. Then we had the little freebie. And, oh, it's scented in cotton candy, pink sugar, and blue sugar. And then we had Just Rot. And that's Death and Decay by Campfire. All right, guys, that's it for my quick unboxing from Body's Harmony. And that's it for now. I would purchase more from her, honestly, but I always miss her restocks. Her stuff is amazing. I love her melts. That's my favorite thing of hers. But I just miss them because she's popular. So what's a girl to do? All right, I will talk to you guys on the next one.